Right, and there it is on its wheels. Sitting fucking pretty. I would think. You've got to be pleased with that. That sits lovely, as I've said many a time. Now, what I reckon, I'm not an aficionado on springers, but there's lots of thread on the top here and not a lot on the bottom here. I think these rods are fitted upside down. I think these fix nuts should be where they are, but I think the rod should be the other way so you can bollock them up and squeeze the springs to give you more preload. I've not boinged up and down on it, but it does sit just nice like that, and you don't want it too soft on the front, obviously. So there you fucking go. That is our Gordy's frame, headstock, top tube, front rails, out to 10-inch over springers. There's loads of other bits and bobs to get on with. So as soon as I can, I'll get on with it.